Hello friend,
My drone is not connected to RC. My drone is not connecting RC.
continue red light is on, change the USB. Gimbal is work properly, drone is properly on, remote is on, but not connect to RC and remote, RC and drone. Open the app, connecting USB tethering and hotspot, go to setting, USB and hotspot properly connecting. Second method, the RC and drone pairing, drone and remote on button with continuous press and beeping remote. After safety pin and other pointed, press the pointed and this side pin is reset button. This side reset button and press and pairing, but not connect this my drone. Drone remote is changed and problem is solved. Thank you.